What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-102937-2. You are signed out and PlayStation network. You are signed out, PSN account is not working, server is down, it's a network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. So let's go to the screen, and here we go to this. Look at that, the switch the user and add a user, sign in, and you just manually signed in. If you are not signed in, signed out, and you're already signed out, and then you just go to settings again and check your PSN account is signed in or not, or login settings, PSN account is logged in or not, and you just check it properly, your password and a PSN account to put it. And after that, you just go check the server. Sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on the updates, that's why your PSN account is signed out and it showed you are signed out. And after, when it will be fixed, it will be okay. And if your server is working up and good, you have a local internet problem, so you can fix the local internet and frequency, and also the all settings. You can change the DNS settings also by manually search it which one is working good in your country. You just put it back there and set up a new connection. You can use a wired LAN cable to get the better speed, and if it's not working, you must contact with the local internet provider to fix the network. So that's how simply you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.